gurus, and welcome to another episode. Beautiful.
Hello everyone.
Hello, say hello.
Hi.
What's your name?
My name is Oscar Nichka.
What do you think about Bitcoin?
Everything will be good tomorrow.
Yes, he always say like this. Okay, let's jump to the technical of Bitcoin now.
So that was a cool game where you switch roles and then see how each other's feeling and speaking from each other's perspective. Her trick, because she's a doctor of psychology. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin. Hit the subscribe button, join 70,000 people, smash up the thumbs up button. You have to say subscribe to 70,000 people.
Subscribe, please.
Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. So we're going into the technicals for Bitcoin. Massive pump just now, and I really like Cake. Cake is PancakeSwap's coin. Huge pump. Someone bought just now, you can see it, it's a 20% freaking pump. Someone bought here 27.5 million Cake, and then after that 3 million Cake, and then there was a dump of 2 million Cake, and it pulled the price back down to 640, and then so around, what is that, 7 plus 10 million Cake was bought in just the last few hours, which I find very interesting. PancakeSwap's token, I don't know who bought the bottom there, 10 million tokens. That's $60 million was just invested in Cake. At the low was $5.30. Now, do we wait for this pump to be erased? I think it took out a lot of the sell orders at this price. On the 4-hourly pushing up, but if Bitcoin pulls back here, the pump will get erased again. That's a 20% pump, so it's a little bit dangerous to buy Cake here. But if Bitcoin doesn't pull back, this was a very nice bottoming kind of signal. I'm going to buy a little bit of Cake here, but again, that was quite a strong pump. It went all the way up to $7.30. So my thinking is it took away a lot of the sell orders all the way up to $7.30. So I'm going to buy some Cake. Palantir up in the markets. We'll jump into the charts for Bitcoin. Then I'm going to pick up a bit of Cake. I do like PancakeSwap. The only reason I want to buy it is I really like PancakeSwap's token and the whole decentralized exchange that they use. But we determine what's going to happen with Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is heading up. Squeeze Mob is going to the green side. It's got more legs to run. It erased my channel, so I have to draw the channel again. So Bitcoin keeps channeling between here, around the main area of the channel is here, 36,000. And the second area of the channel is up here. This is the main channel that Bitcoin keeps going around, 44,000. So it kind of moves between this channel. And we've got more legs on the 4-hourly, but it's nearly overbought. So I do expect that it will pump and then most likely drop. I'm also going to show you my trades that I bought on Bored Ape. Bored Ape today released their tokens. I was doing an interview with Kyle Chase while Bored Ape, we were buying and aping into Bored Ape. So Bored Ape is Bored Ape Yacht Club, the main NFT that all the celebrities have. They released the token. The token on the launch went up to $50. I only managed to buy a few hundred of it at $17. I sold them at $23. Then I rebought them at $12. Now it's sitting at around $9. I'm also going to show you that as well. I'm almost break even. I think at the bottom price was $5. The max price was $50. So that's a 10x drop, 10 times drop actually. So you got to be careful on launches of tokens. Me and Kyle recorded it as we were trading it. So I'll include that interview in a later video. So Bitcoin on the 4-hourly is overbought. EMA ribbons were above the EMA ribbons. VPVR, we have a lot of support only at the 39,000. Where we are right now, not much buy orders, not much sell orders. A W formation is forming though. But again, I think we're going to have a little bit of pump to 42 and then a drop back down to 36. So I have some short set up. The Crypto Guru bot is showing a buy on the 4-hourly. Bitcoin indicator bot showing a buy. So that those indicators, that's good indications. The only thing is stochastic is overbought at the moment. Still heading up, but quite overbought. So a little bit of more room before I think a drop could pull back the markets. Let's check. Money flow is flowing into Bitcoin. Not much volume though today, which there was a lot of volume yesterday, but the volume has been dropping off. There does seem to be a technical formation that's forming on Bitcoin. Let's check it out. And we already broke this downtrend, and now it's sitting on the support line. And this is a kind of descending wedge with we broke out of the downtrend. So that's quite bullish. If we actually get a movement here, it will move to the base of the wedge. So if we can get a bounce here, this distance here, and it broke out on 30% with volume, so that's quite a good indicator. And we're getting a pullback. Ooh, that's nice. We could be going to the 46k resistance. I would actually long Bitcoin here. I'm going to, because this broke out of a descending wedge, it tested it, and it's bouncing with volume. So I'd actually go long on Bitcoin here. On the hourly, we've got volume, stochastic heading up. I'm going to actually change my trade to long, and long this breakout of this descending wedge with the target of this resistance up here. So with the target of this resistance, then I'll most likely go short until we break this range with a target at 45k. So I'm going to long Bitcoin here. So I'm going to cancel my short and actually go long on Bitcoin. So I've got a short. Let's go to derivatives. In this account, if you want to trade like you're seeing me do, in this account I have $178,462, up $1,000 since I made the video earlier today. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, underneath this video, in the description and the pinned comment, under the video you'll see the link to Bybit. If you go down below, click that Bybit link, you start trading on Bybit, you get a sign-up bonus of 4,100, and that's the exchange that I am using to trade. It's my favorite exchange. I also use Binance, I use Kraken, I use Femex, but the main exchange I trade is Bybit, and I'm going to show you how to trade on Bybit now. So this is my account, 178,420. In here I've got USDT of 114,000, I've got BIT of 37,000, I've got Bitcoin of 20,000. I've got ape now. It's up 740%, $8.4, 2,500. I actually bought it at $12, so it's pulled back around 30%. But I'm going to add more to this because I think it's got such a big potential, ape, that they're building a lot of different stuff. You can check it out. I've got a Bitcoin short at 42,700. But I'm actually going to close this short and go long on Bitcoin here because of this breakout of this downtrend. I'm going to do a buy order. I'm going to open an order now. I'm going to do a $500 long on Bitcoin with 10x leverage, opening a long where we're sitting right now. Confirm, opening a long on Bitcoin. Done. Bitcoin long is open. My take profit is going to be set at 45,300, and my stop loss, so I'm going to go long right now. I'm going to show you how. So I'll set my long right now. So I'm setting the long. I'll do a very tight stop loss just below this main area of support here, and my take profit up here, and this gives me a 3.07 risk to reward ratio. For every $1 I'm risking, my gain is $3, so it's a nice trade. I'm risking $1,600 to make $5,000. If I use 10x leverage, that'll be $50,000 profits, 100x leverage, $500,000 profits per Bitcoin. So I'm going long here, so my take profit will be at 45,800. No, 45,400, and my stop loss will be at 39,000. So 45,400, take profit 45,400, and my stop loss, what did I say? 39,000 will be my stop loss. Nice, and I'm risking $260 to make $615. Confirm. That trade is set. Now I've got a long on Bitcoin. I'm going to show you the trade. This is board 8. This is board 8 Yacht Club. I've got some orders down here to sell my trade at $15, and I'll show you the chart. It just went crazy today. It shot up to around $50 and then pulled back on the launch. We were doing it live in that video. It went all the way from $1 to $50, now sitting at $8. I bought some at $17, sold it at $23, then rebought at $12. Now it's at $8-9. So I actually lost a little bit here. I made money on the first pump, but lost a little bit on this one. But I do believe it's a good token, and I will add more at $5 because they're doing a lot of stuff. Now let's check out Cake, because I really like Cake. It had a 15% pump. It erased all the stop losses up there. If Bitcoin, but on the 4 hourly, it is overbought. So I'll buy more Cake here, but that's a good, it erased the stop losses. So I'm going to add to my Cake position at $6.18. So I'm going to set a spot position because I really like Cake, and there's a reason someone just bought that many million of it. So this is Cake. I'm going to buy some spot. I'm going to buy $10,000 worth of spot at the price of $6. What did I just say when it pulls back? $6.18. $6.18. So Cake is, again, Pancake Swap's token. So I'm buying $10,000 worth at $6.18. That's 1,600 Cake. Buy, or I can't, max is 1,500 something something, so I'll do 1,500. I can only buy on Bybit. So $9,200 worth of cake at the price of $6.18. Confirmed. My order is set. Let's see if it triggers and collects those orders. So that's the all-time buying. I've been buying a lot of Bybit. I'm going to buy a lot more of it if it comes down to 90 cents, because again, that's where Citadel, one of the biggest funds, buys Bybit. But again, I do believe the markets will pull back. I'm not going heavy with my capital in stocks and cryptos. I'm laddering in slowly. We also saw a big pullback on the Chinese stocks after the big pump from Beijing yesterday, then a big pullback, which is interesting. Hit the subscribe button, smash up the thumbs up button. What do you guys think? Do you think the market drop is over? I want to keep getting everyone's opinions. Every one of you, comment down below. Do you think the markets in stocks and cryptos is over the drop, or do you think we've got more to drop? Let me know in the comment section down below. I want to gauge as much info from all of you as possible. Thank you for watching. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I will see you all again tomorrow.